Bees make honey through a fascinating process that involves collecting nectar from flowers. Here's how it works. So 1, collecting nectar. Worker bees, the female bees, fly from flower to flower using their long tongues to sip up nectar. Nectar is a sweet liquid that flowers produce to attract the bees. Number 2, storing nectar. Once a bee has collected enough nectar, it stores it in its special stomach called the honey stomach. This stomach is separate from the bee's regular stomach. Number 3, returning to the hive. The bee then returns to the hive where it passes the nectar to the other worker bees by regurgitating it. Okay, this is called trophallaxis. Number 4, transforming nectar. The receiving bees chew the nectar for about 30 minutes, mixing it with enzymes from their saliva. This process breaks down the sugars in the nectar. Number 5, evaporating water. The bees then spread the processed nectar throughout the hive in honeycomb cells. They fan their wings to help evaporate the excess water, thickening the nectar into honey. Number 6, sealing the honey. Once the honey is thick enough, the bees seal the cells with beeswax to keep it safe for later use as food. This entire process is vital for the survival of the bee colony, especially during the winter when flowers are not blooming. Honey provides energy and nutrients for the bees.